Media stakeholders, including 3 leading media houses, the Kenya Union of Journalists, the Kenya Correspondents Association, as well as the Editors Guild, moved to court seeking to stop the reconstitution of the Media Council of Kenya by Information Secretary Fred Matiang'i. 3 matters that Judge Mumbi Ngugi determined were urgent and weighty and should be heard by a 3-judge bench constituted by the Chief Justice.
For us, we have 7 petitioners, I believe.
Her ruling further gave temporary conservatory orders stopping any constitution of the Media Council by Matiang'i between now and Friday, when she will determine whether or not the orders will be extended until the case is heard and determined.
We cannot do that if you're going to be embroiled in fighting over the conservatory orders. So Mr. Moimbo and Mr. Moko, I still put that question to you.
Whatever interim orders you are making, you're saying that so long as these institutions are not in place, the rights of all those other millions of Kenyans are also being abused without effective remedy. So you can't just look at one side of the coin.
They are going full throttle to constitute the tribunal and to reconstitute the Media Council. Now, as we are going to argue, those go to the very heart of the media freedom under Article 34, which we are saying is being violated. And therefore, logic would have demanded that they concede to the court suggestion that we get the conservatory orders so that the Media Council in place today continues. That appeals tribunal, which has not been constituted, doesn't get constituted until both parties articulate their understanding of Article 34 so as to enable the court to pronounce itself.
The 3 cases, all filed against the Attorney General, the Communications Authority and the Cabinet Secretary, were consolidated and now will be heard as one. Matiang'i, through an advert, had initiated the process, inviting those willing to be appointed as chairperson and members of the Media Council of Kenya and the Communications and Multimedia Appeals Tribunal to apply. A move that the media owners and the practitioners say goes against the provisions of the Media Council Act of 2013. The media fraternity maintains that the Media Council Act and the Kenya Information and Communications Amendment Act is structured to gag the media, contravening Article 34 of the Constitution, which advocates for a free media. As such, it is null and void and the process should be stopped. The court will give its ruling on the order to halt the constitution of the 2 bodies on Friday. Esther Kahumbi, Citizen Live at 9.